cute. This is what happens when you leave the thing of milk on the counter for 3 days. And now we're gonna open it. It's ticking.
It's fizzing. Like, okay, go. Open it.
Just hope it doesn't explode. Oh, gross. It's leaked down the side and I'm touching it. No, but oh my god, that might be the most disgusting thing that ever happened in my entire life. Ah, I'm covered in it.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait, what is
To
it?
decontaminate the entire kitchen.
What does it look like?
I don't know, but I gotta get out before I throw up from bad mouth smell.
Oh, that was. Oh god.
It's all over me. I hope I got the lid off.
Go take a shower. Go on now. Go take a shower. Go.
Then Rosie
Rosie looks.
was all excited to pick it up.
Rosie looks so happy. Go take a shower now. I'm
Get
not.
my coffee.
You're
It's in
really.
there.
Mom, it's dead. Don't go back for it.
I'm going back for it.
Don't. Is the lid off at least? Okay, just go. Go.
Should I clean before I take a shower?
Sure, but I'm not
I
hoping.
wipe all the disgustingness off of myself.
I'm gonna go wipe myself off.